Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off Shein notifications. Shein sends notifications for promotions, new arrivals, and order updates, which can sometimes be overwhelming. You can manage these notifications from your device settings. To turn off notifications from the Shein app, start by going to your settings. Then go to Apps. From here, tap on Notifications or simply find and select Shein. As you can see, there is an option for notifications. Tap on it and make sure to turn off Shein notifications. And that sets it. We just learned how to turn off Shein notifications from device settings to manage alerts more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.